Compressed air is commonly used in factories, but its production cost cannot be ignored. The power consumption required for air production is estimated to be 20% of the total power consumption for the entire factory. Conventionally, various measures have been taken to reduce air consumption. However, SMC proposes a method to fundamentally solve the problem by optimizing air pressure. By optimizing the supply pressure, you can save energy and reduce CO2 emissions at your factory, efficiently achieving next-generation air design through best practices. This concept is achieved by 4-bar factory. 4-bar factory consists of 3 steps. Step 1. Air visualization. First, we visualize the pressure and flow rates of existing equipment to identify areas that can be reviewed. Step 2. Line pressure optimization. We verify the air pressure that can maintain production efficiency. In locations where the output must be maintained while the pressure is reduced, we can introduce an exhaust recovery booster regulator or replace parts with a high-power type cylinder. In addition, the flow rate of the air-blowing system can be improved by utilizing high peak pressure and instantaneous blowing. By introducing optimal products, we optimize the line pressure. This method is applied throughout the factory to optimize the pressure at each piece of equipment. Step 3. Air pressure optimization for the entire factory. Lastly, the air pressure for compressors supplying air to the factory is optimized. This saves energy and cuts CO2. Let us look at specific case studies. In machine tools, the air-saving impact blow valve realizes high peak pressure and instantaneous blowing to reduce air consumption. With screen printers replacing existing parts with a high-power type compact cylinder maintains the same external dimensions and pressure but increases output by up to 1.5 times. When pressure is reduced, conventional output can still be achieved. With an assembly unit, an exhaust recovery booster regulator can be introduced to locally boost pressure to maintain output. The air management system not only visualizes pressure and flow rate, but also reduces air consumption by minimizing or shutting off pressure during equipment standby. Support system offered by a global network. With locations in approximately 80 countries and regions worldwide, SMC collaborates with local users and equipment manufacturers to help customers overcome challenges from various perspectives. 4-bar factory offers a choice to revolutionize manufacturing norms. This may become the new standard for the factory of the future. SMC proposes and introduces the most suitable equipment for its customers, thereby optimizing air pressure and reducing air consumption. This contributes to cost reduction in the factory. Change the pressure to change the future.